What's up and what's happening, baby? Hey man, what's up and what's glorious, everybody? Man, it is 8 a.m. and I woke up and I was like on my phone and I decided, hey, let me go ahead and see if there's an estate sale happening today. And there was. So guess what time it is? Yes, that is right. I'm pulling up to some estate sales. Y'all seem to like these videos, so I'm gonna make them. And I also am gonna hit some thrifts today. So we're gonna have a little hybridization of some different forms of finding flame. So without further ado, let's hit this first spot and see what is good with it. My Google Maps trajectory is flawless. Let's get there. Oh man, guys, the weather is crispy out here. Look at this neighborhood too, man. Holy hell, low crime rate as fuck, boy. Some of y'all been like, yo, go to the rich part of town. These dogs, bro. Sometimes the wealthy parts have the most lacking type of stuff, which is a downside, but damn, that car is lit, boy. Holy hell, I hope it's for sale. What? Oh, making a little documentary. Yeah, my camera crew's at home. They're feeling under the weather, so just out here with my hand tripod. All right, but let's get inside and see what's good. All right, guys, so we're in the bedroom right now. I had to come to close first and foremost, but look at these beautiful little socks. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my God! Noteworthy. I need to shrink my foot to fit those. And Bugs Bunny with the big cheeks, looking like a straight athlete. Boy, on his Lance Armstrong stuff. Oh my gosh, roid raging low-key on the bike. That's beautiful. But I'm gonna see what's cracking in this little t-shirt box. Let's see what's up with it. All right, guys, so these are the clothes that I managed to dig up that I like. A lot of stuff is pretty subtle, pretty elderly styled. But these hats are sick. So I guess the dude was a cosmonaut, space cadet. I'm a space cadet. Astronaut, worked at NASA, but you have this really cool space shuttle encrusted all embroidered hat with the pins that I went ahead and threw in there just to enhance that headwear. And then there also are a couple of these little crop dusters on this really cool Texas little air show, Wings Over Houston. This is very cool. It's like denim with that bagel colored brim. And then this right here, baby. This looking like a field in full bloom, man. Flower encrusted tan little denim jacket. This is a ladies, but you know, maybe we can make it work. And these shirts are fairly decent. I just want to show them off because I mean, they have the coolest graphics of the box. I survived the Colorado River, some White River rafting, and then or rapids rafting. Then you have a little astronaut tee to go with the hats, and then another little space shuttle t-shirt with Texas. I knew it. I knew there had to be some section. Look at this jacket. Oh my God. What? Bro. This is what I live for. This is what I live for. Oh. Is that, what is that, like a cheetah zebra hybrid? Bro, that snuggler ski wear? Bro, I'm about to smuggle these snuggles, you dig? These things are amazing. Let's see what else. I knew there had to be something flamboyant in here. Oh man, these jackets are just beautiful.
They're good makers.
I love it.
Kaylin's excellent.
Who, Snuggler?
Well, Kaylin is expensive.
Oh, Kaylin?
Kaylin's pretty good.
Oh, that's a beautiful name. Yeah. I'm gonna name my firstborn child Kaylin just after these jackets. They're that memorable. Nice. These things are amazing.
Those used to be the colors of the day.
Hey, they're making my day right now. Oh, this fool looks like my uncle. Hey, it's getting live in this house and in this room especially. They got the slipper flippers, boy. They have pink and yellow. That's like, what is that, like strawberry lemonade? You know what I'm saying? But check it out, they got the snorkels and the goggles. And you guys might be wondering, why? Bro, because these homeowners know, they know that fishes get you. Hello, bitches. Look at this. Oh, that Hawaiian fish fetish shirt. Hey, and then they have this nice little sweater as well in just bright neon skating rink colors. Dude, what is this? Oh, that profile? Huh? 30% lamb, 70% acrylic. Bro, let's go. Yes. Oh man, fellas, this shelf is amazing, dude. I mean, look at it, got all the little lines, just beautiful hardwood, pause. You also got these little rockets. Man, this is like a whole command center, dude. This is like really like bootleg mission control in here. It's amazing. And they have the Schwinn stationary bike. Also the homie Louie's in the building right here. You already know what time it is. She showed love, I appreciate it, man. But yeah, I mean, I might have to go ahead and scissor real quick. Get some scissors real quick. Man, this house is crazy. Each house is just a whole new experience, man. It's a whole new world. Hey, on the cool, I might have to set some ants on fire with this. Ooh, man, it's fancy in here. I'm liking the vibes. The sterling silver, hello. Jesus, she can eat like a king on this little, on this little piece of dining equipment. Dude, this is amazing. Hey, the kitchen has that fire too. You can make the fish cake. Perfect, man. Perfect. Hey, that's the only type of baked good I'm eating, is the one coming in fish form, boy. All right, guys, we're in the outdoor section, and I had to do it one time. You know, I have to get some home necessities of this estate sale. The little hedge trimmer, and of course the extendo cord. Gonna put in work in the spring, man. Yes. All right, I'm gonna get these. What do I do? Oh, I'm making a little documentary, yeah. Little documentary. Yeah, my camera crew's under the weather, but you know, I show people how to basically live life on a budget. Oh, so, cool. Yeah. So those are some necessities. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and.
Talking about that's probably $20, 30. Think how much you're saving there.
Yeah, that's like $40 of savings. Ah, damn, there goes the homie. Hey man, y'all know what time it is, bro. Yes, handfuls of heat. Ah, yeah, you heard me. Hey, this is a stay sale schmack though, bruh. Yes, sir, indeed. We got a ton of jackets and whatnot. I'm actually very pleased with that. Low-key, I kind of want those little windmills. I don't even think that's what hello, sir. I don't even think that's what that's called, but whatever. Anyways, guys, I'm just so happy. I'll be pulling up, just ignorantly recording. It's like the third time I'm dropping an estate sale video in like 3 weeks, and in the other ones, I was kind of whispering. Bro, I'm just like, I ain't giving a fuck, bro. Like, straight up. I'm gonna hop in these houses and just act like they're mine. Cause they finna be, bro. Young future real estate mogul. Anyways, fuck with your boy, man. That estate sale went hard, straight up. Oh yeah. And then there's one other thing I got too. My bad, y'all. That I didn't show off. And that's this big ass pot. Finna be growing trees up in this, but yeah, I'm gonna throw it in a whip and be on with my day. I'm actually about to go to the gym right now, and then we'll pick this up wherever we do. Okay. Hi. In there like swimwear. Dude, look at the mink coat. Rest in peace to all the little mammals that were murked in order to create that piece. Yeah, I just raided the closet and I have another handful of stuff. This is actually a super cool display piece. Whoa, 1,200? Brother.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
Yeah, I only got 6% left on my battery, so I guess we'll just go through the house, but I want to like display everything that I just grabbed in hand real quick, because it's crazy. But there's this like geisha samurai chick on this like apron. There is a tiger encrusted Shere Khan, I guess, silk kimono robe. There's a vintage striped button up, a nice kind of belt, Travis Scott belt, buckle vibe, jacket, vintage windbreaker, Versace looking windbreaker. All this is just falling out my hands. Another old windbreaker, and then this crazy like anchor all over print shirt with that hot little jalapeno surfing. Surfing. That's pretty cool. All over print. Oh, swimming on this side. What's up? And yeah, here's another little glance at that Versace piece. This is crazy too. My boy Dumbo's making a cameo on the pillow. Fancy lamps. And then this pillow has a cheetah print pillow within the pillow. That's deep.
That shit get deep.
Hey man, this house is full of treasure chests. I think a pirate used to live here. There's all types of antiques from foreign lands and chests on chests. They have fraudulent trees in the corner. Oh man, $350 for the Oriental chest. You already know, man. I love nothing more than Oriental pectorals. Hey, that's politically incorrect, and I'm sorry. Little oil-fueled lamps. Nice. Tables, chairs, miscellaneous shoe, lamp. Is that velvet? Literally thrones. It's crazy. This house is beautiful. Yo. They got golden servant boy lamps too. Oh. Bro, is that Mulan's ancestor? Bro, that looks like Mulan's like second uncle. They got these medieval woodwork chairs, hand carved. Fraud plants. They got statue collies. Hold up. They got mirrors that ghosts appear in the reflection in. What's up? And then a whole bunch of collectibles. Oh, $10 TV. What's up with it? Vintage suitcases. Kind of taxed. But yeah, just take a gander, man. Hey, all types of acquisitions from here, near, and far. And more fancy lamps. You need the fancy lamps. Bro! Why does this table go so hard? This is like Adam and Eve's outfits. Sheesh, nothing but leaves. Oh, bro. You can bury a couple bodies with this equipment. What's up? Oh, low key, I'm in the shed, baby. Bro, they got ant files infiltrating the sheds. Trippy. Also, look at this real estate agent. Low key, kind of bad. Just kidding. My girl watches this. She ugly as hell. Let me stop, bro. I'm wilding out. She might be the homeowner, low key. Dang, bro. If I put Cheetos in this, I couldn't tell the difference. All right, guys. So we jumped out the estate sale. I went ahead and got the table. Yo, look at this lady's steez. First of all, exactly the supporters pulled up. I appreciate you guys.
We appreciate you.
Thank you. And then look at her style. Guys, drip or drown.
I'm
Take
single.
notes, kids. Oh, you're single? Hey, I mean, hold up. Y'all don't talk about silver fox status. It's honey season. No, I appreciate the support, y'all. I really do like your outfit, though. It's crazy. It's nice. Yeah, of course, eclectic.
Thank you so much. We've learned a lot from you.
Appreciate you guys. It's so nice to meet you, brother. How to clean shoes?
Yup.
Have y'all gone in there yet?
No, we're about to go.
Man, y'all need to go take a peek. They got a bunch of furniture, monkey statues, a little bit of everything. Yeah. Man, hold up, bro. I hope the lighting is right, guys. I'm sorry about that clip too. I think that lady's name was Jet, if I'm correct. I can watch this footage and see if I'm wrong or not, because she definitely said it. But I was just overwhelmed, man. I got some great deals on all the clothes. Got that table, huh? You know my nickname is Young Table, so it kind of makes sense. And then, bro, like, the people were willing to wheel and deal with my ass. So I got some better deals than I expected. And yeah, second estate sale went hard. My map is tripping right now, bro. So I think I'm about to be lost. I'm lost in the sauce. That person just waved at me. I don't know why. But what's up? But yeah, shout out to everyone who supports. Hey, and shout out my camera too that just died. Guys, but we got the table in the backyard right now. Oh man, sorry about this little rag. Let me go ahead and whoopsies. Get that the fuck out of here. Dude, second estate sale hit though. I really want to shout out those people. They were hella cool. Man, it's just been a great day. I don't know if I'm gonna pick this up another day, hit a thrift or what, but we're gonna see how this proceeds.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get